You too. As you can tell, we are Cars and Coffee ready, man. You know what I'm saying? And y'all can see my rims is shining, bro. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy Sacos. He detailed me this morning. Well, not me, the car. He detailed the car this morning. And we got Super right here. And TLX Type S. And CTSV over there. And N63 Haynes is taking his sweet time this morning to get a wash. Like Brad. I told him to be here. I told him to meet at my house at 7:45. And he got a 01 in there. I told him to meet at my house at 7:45, right? He texted me at 7:50 talking about some, yo, meet me at the gas station. I said, bruh, no, just meet me at the wash, bro. So I'm at the wash waiting for him for like 20-30 minutes, bruh. And he just pulled up. I was trying to be at Cars and Coffee mad early, and now we're gonna be there only a little early. It's crazy. So the car is clean though. I can see, I don't know if y'all can see the wavy kit on the side. I can see the wavy kit on the side. A lot of people really can't see that for some reason. Well, not even for some reason. It's just super low key. That's what I like about it. You gotta really be looking at it. So, but yeah, we're going to Cars and Coffee this morning. I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog, 'cause I'll be having to talk to a lot of people, bruh. So we'll see. We'll see if I can find a cameraman there while I'm there. So either way, we're gonna have fun. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I gotta go buy my dad some cologne later today. Take him to the mall and stuff. So that'll be pretty cool. But yeah, whatever happens today, we might vlog the whole day because it is Father's Day. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, let you guys know. Keep you guys updated. See. All right, guys. Look who's here.
Wherever. Yeah, I was singing that song.
Yeah.
Oh, say what's up to YouTube.
What up, YouTube?
Make famous.
What's up to that boy, Wavy Kid Vlog.
Yeah.
I can plug it in for you. Not even.
Man, they're famous, man. He put up with the bike. He got his own carpet. I ain't got my own carpet, but you know what I'm saying? I know, right?
That is gay.
Right.
Yo, you want to grab the thing and put it over on the other side?
What thing?
The mat.
Am I supposed to be your assistant now?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, I see how it is. I guess I'm Mendo's assistant. I guess I'm his assistant now.
Put you to work, kid.
Crazy. Put me to work, man. I guess I'm the assistant. What's up, buddy? What's going on? He's still directing me, guys. I still did it wrong.
No, you good.
Why you ain't tell me to turn it around, bro?
Nah.
Why you ain't tell me to turn it around?
He did it wrong anyways, too, so we're gonna have to start with him.
Don't shoot the messenger.
Let's see what's going on here. I did my part, though.
What's up, dog? Oh, shit.
Famous, bro.
Yes, sir.
Well, guys, my Canada guys made it. Look at OTV. Look at OTV. Woo!
No.
That boy clean, ain't it? That boy clean.
Where you parked up? Oh, you're right there.
I'm right. Yeah, I'm at the booth, bro. Alright. Look at OTV, guys. Yo, you took the badges off the side?
No, it's on this side. I'm rewrapping that fender.
Oh, where? Bet. It ain't clean. My boy just finished this, bro. That ain't hard. That ain't hard, I ain't gonna lie. 100%. Yo! Come on, bro. You like my new wheels? We chrome wheel twins. What? We chrome wheel twins, bro? Nah, that's crazy. Alright, guys, we're gonna see what supercars they have over here in the little important car area, because to me these are the cars that's worth seeing, but there is like thousands of people here, and I can't show out every car. It's just too much going on. So I know this guy, he owns both of these cars actually, the R6 and this NS6 right here, Super Fire GTD. We seen this car at Dimension Meet. This thing's hard. And it's a Ford GT right here, and it's orange. Holy gas, bro.
I had to,
GT500 wheels. I got to sit in one of these when I was doing what's up, bro? What's going on? When I was working with West Her, I got to sit in one of those Ford GTs. I want to drive one though, I ain't gonna lie. Got Gen 2, I think it's Gen 2 Viper. It's Ferrari, another Ferrari. A lot of Ferraris out here. Ferraris is what the rich people get, the actual ones. Got a C8, I think this is just a Stingray. Oh no, this is 06. Yeah, 06, that ain't hard. I like the wing. I like the 06 wings. Another 06 C7. You got a big turbo Supra. This thing is stupid clean. I know it's the manual, but if it wasn't, I would want to drive it. This thing is clean. It's on TEs. Look at that. Guess the horsepower, guys. Guess the horsepower. Got a Bentley right here. GT3 RS. The green GT3 RS is tough. You got a couple old school Shelbys. That's hard. I know Mari like this type of stuff. Shelby Glazer, by the way. Got another Mustang. Another Mustang.
They look like just regular.
And then they got a 720 right here. Black 720. That's tough. Got a Huracan. It's an Evo too. That's hard. I got to drive one of these Evo, but it was a drop top. I got to drive a drop top. What's going on, brother? How you doing, man?
See you, man.
Yes, sir. You too. Another McLaren right here. Ooh. Never seen this setup before, by the way. This looks crazy. What is this? I think it's a 570. Yeah, 570. Yes. Yeah. I want to drive a McLaren. Somebody with a McLaren, let me drive yours. If you got like a rear-wheel drive one, I can turn traction off and like actually drive it, let me know. That'd be hard. Got a Carrera. I'm supposed to be driving one of those today, actually. Carrera R6. Another C8 GTS right here. I got to drive the GTR. Super fire. I didn't want to get out that car. If you ever get a chance to drive a GTR, go drive one. I ain't gonna lie. What's up, man? But yeah, got two R8s. Nicely spec'd out. This one is Sheepy Racing. Looks crazy. I'm not gonna cap. Sheepy Race R8. Carbon hood. If I know the owner, tell him let me drive it.
That guy commented.
Yeah, it's crazy. If y'all know the owner, tell him let me drive it. I want to drive it. C601 Z06. Another Z06 is a black one right here. That's tough. Yeah, it just keeps on going, bruh. It just keeps on going. Then you have Julian's R7. What's up, bro? What's going on? What's going on with you? What's up, bro?
What's up? Nice
What's going on? Yes, sir. What's up, bro?
Hey, what's up?
How you doing, man? Yes, sir. Premium Jewels. It's my son right here. Then you got a bunch of old school cars, bro. I cannot believe cars used to be this big back in the day. Insane. Cars used to be so big back in the day, bro. Like, I cannot believe that y'all was driving cars this big. Oh, this look nice. This is nicely kit out. Whatever kit is on here looks crazy. I like these wheels too. These wheels literally only hit with black or white. Anything else, or like a throw up green. I like that on like a throw up green. It looks good, or navy blue too. But any other color though, do not get those color wheels. R8, I like this pink color. It's really good, and it's supercharged. That's tough. Supercharged V10. Y'all just see me drive one of those. I might have to drive. I gotta find another supercar to drive, bro. Porsche Turbo 50. What is that? Somebody tell me what that is. 911 ST. Y'all know these things. It's severely underrated. Very expensive. Very expensive. GT3 RS. super clean. I know the owner of this car, if this is the same car. We was just at his house not so long ago. Rolls Royce. Porsche right here, crazy colorway. And I think these are all driven low-key cars right here. So all of these cars, the GT3, Turbo S, he just got this not so long ago.
Could I be in the video?
You wanna be in the video?
Yeah,
What's
sure.
say?
Subscribe to Wavy Kids.
I bet. You in the video
Yeah.
now. We got this Revolta right here. Ferrari. All of these cars is owned by the same guy, by the way. It's crazy work. Another Ferrari, MC20. First time I seen this, it blew my mind. I thought it was a wrap, and it's not. It's like a 1 of 7 paint colors. Insane. So, like I said, it's the Instagram right here. If y'all want to follow him. All of these cars right here that I just named from the G-Wagon on back, was all his. So, if y'all like the car collection, M5 too on carbon wheels. Crazy. With the white interior. And I think this is just stage 3 if I'm not mistaken. And then this is the Rolls Royce with the orange interior. So, I know orange is my favorite color too, by the way. But look at that. It's crazy. Insane. What's up with you, my guy? How you, man?
No, you like, who the hell is this? Like, no, I know you from Prince.
Oh, word? That's
Yeah,
what's up. That's what's up. But yeah, bro, it's a lot of cars, a lot of nice cars going on, and we walking in a circle. And I'm looking for Heens, and I don't see him. N63 Heens, we found him, guys.
Finally, man, this
Big
dude.
target. Oh, wait.
Look, no, let go. No, we gonna see the little target. Little target right here.
I'm taller than Pops.
Not.
I'm taller than Pops, though.
Barely.
So it don't matter. It don't matter.
Little target over here, little man.
Yeah.
Nah, word.
As long as I'm bigger than Pops, I'm good.
Yo, you missed it, bro. Yo,
R7. Only way I'd buy a Viper.
you don't know how to drive manual.
No, I do know how to drive manual. I just don't know how to drive it 100%. I can make it home, bro.
That is true.
Stop doing that.
That is
Stop
true.
trying to roast me.
But
stop trying to roast
you gotta
me.
learn how to really drive manual.
Can you even fit in this car?
I can. I fit in the Miata.
Give me the camera.
I fit in the Miata.
Give me the camera. He talking about I can't
drive 3 in the tree.
Of course.
He talking about I can't drive manual. Can you fit in the car?
I can.
I can fit in
I
the
fit in
car.
the Miata.
Man, George.
Uncomfortably, but I can fit in there.
Right.
Give me my damn phone.
You probably can't even hear the video. You might want to play it back.
Nah, bro.
Yeah.
Yo, that's not funny, bro.
Anyway, this is the only way I would buy a Viper. It has to be an ACR, bro. I'm not getting no Viper or no wing on it. This is the one I want. It's Omar Type B, guys.
What's up?
Famous.
You're famous, bro.
He's famous.
Long ass drive.
He's famous. You guys are famous.
I'm just a guy, dude. I'm just
Don't take it so like.
This guy has a Wavy Kid shirt on. Come on now.
Gotta rap.
WavyKid.com, right?
Yes, sir.
WavyKidCat.com, man. Go get y'all merch, bro.
He's finally modding his car, bro.
On the way. Thanks to Kev.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna have to stay tuned if I have more content.
Are you going switchback? That's a good question. I got switchback 550 though. Yo, that's where it belongs. That's where it belongs.
It does, right?
That's where it belongs. 550.
I want mine.
So when he changed it 4K. Call it 4K, bro. He changed the game to it. Hold on.
I can't wait.